Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on day 21 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. This is the sketch for today, and the Dotty About Flare prompt is rainbows. I use the rainbow theme and the Cake Day collection from Close to My Heart and the square window Slimline Thin cut shown in the screen. And I made some strips of paper and used them as my rainbow type decoration. Layered the photos up on some paper and the title and some embellishments, and I was done. I was at a weekend crop, so you're seeing a lot of photos of what I made with this day's sketch, and I will explain a little bit more about it with the finished layout here in a couple of seconds. Before we get to that, though, there'll be a photo showing my Cricut spatula and an ink pad and some thread, and that is how I colored the white thread from Close to My Heart to make it work for my layout. And I made green, yellow, and the wild berry. This is the layout from day 21, and I just wanted to get on and explain everything that I did. So I cut the title out of the Cricut, and I used the same cardstock that is behind it to cut out the design, and then I layered it onto black cardstock and popped it up on some foam. You can see that they're raised. The balloons, I colored some of the white thread that Close to My Heart has, and I colored it on ink pad, and then I just put it in little knots and hung it under the balloons, and I'll put a little glue down on the cardstock so that it would stay where it was. It has stickles on the balloons. Let's see if you can see that, yeah. And just to give it a little bling. The stickers from the sticker sheet, I did the same thing, put some stickles on it here and on the candles, around the threads here and here. I used some of the sticker words here on the picture and here. Did a little journaling in that one square from the thin cut, and that's about it. So all the layers of paper, the thin cut layered on top, and I just kind of put the photo. This one, as you can see, it's on the stripes of cardstock layered behind the photo. So the photo's on white, and then a multicolored layered layer and then on black, and the same with this one. And they were just strips of paper that I had left over. It gave it a little interest behind there to catch your eye. This shiny paper is just what I had in my stash, and I finally used it up, so I was happy about that. The thin cuts really add a lot of dimension and design to this layout, though. I really like how appealing it is. So I hope you like it. Close-ups at the end. Make sure you check out everybody else that is following along in this sketch series. Their links will be in the video description. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me.